Hey everyone, my name is Alex with Systems Refined, and today I want to answer a question that I received, and it is there a way to auto-mark a task complete when all subtasks are marked complete? For the free version, no, and even for the premium version, no, you still can't do it. But if you do have the business paid version, then you can kind of do this, and that's what I'm going to show you today. I have a task set up here to show you how to actually do it. The first thing you're going to do is make the main task dependent on the very last task. Okay, so let's go ahead and make that dependent on the very last task. And now the next step is to create a rule. So just go to rules, and it's going to have to be a custom rule. Okay. So the trigger is going to be that the main task is going to be, or the task is no longer waiting. Okay, so once the last subtask is complete, the main task is no longer waiting for that last subtask. Okay, and the action is going to be that the task is completed. So let's go ahead and create that rule. One issue though is, even if you don't complete these other tasks and you do complete this last task, it will still auto-complete the main task. So just keep that in mind. All right, so let's go ahead and complete this to show you exactly what happens. So I completed a subtask, and now the main task is completed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, be sure to click that like button and click on subscribe so you don't miss out on any new Asana Tips videos.